Brandneeti, we have a combined experience of 50 man-years in various industry functions, with each of one of us bringing a unique strength and quality to the agency. Our services ranges from marketing, planning, strategy and quality content.
We believe in giving tremendous amount of flexibility to the team to figure out most innovative ways. We also distinguish ourselves with the Trinity approach of research, generation of plan and timely execution.
Over a period of time, we have been able to put together a skilled and passionate team with a good mix of experienced and fresh talent.
We offer solutions in traditional and innovative mediums, but we are primarily a brand management firm that integrates communication across various mediums. We've carved out a niche for ourselves as a consultant of providing various wholesome solutions in designing brand collaterals like logos, brochures, leaflets, and various campaigns in print and outdoors.
In this phase, the focus is on situational analysis that deals with internal and external influences for business landscapes. It's extremely crucial since it impacts the marketing strategy and product positioning.
We have been able to create a fun and positive environment which is ideal for creative thinking.
While building a website, we follow a four-way process of planning, designing, launching, and maintaining. The planning stage is the most critical and involves research and study of the brand and the target group. The designing phase takes into account the usability and ensures easy navigation. The launch is preceded by website testing on various platforms and user tests. All efforts are made on making it the most perfect website for an excellent user experience.
This is the most important stage and high on actions. We monitor the process all along to ensure a successful and timely execution. Quality servicing and efficient product delivery has got us satisfied clients and references for future projects. What really gives us an edge is we work closely towards understanding the needs of the client, acting as consultants to propose combined solutions that includes all mediums of communication.
We set out to add value in the consultancy space besides being one-stop shop for marketing and branding needs of the companies. Being in sales and marketing for long, we observed that trends were changing.
Clients have been asking for more innovative and creative solutions.
word is Niti.
Brand Niti.